Hi students, now when we have done the format of a formal letter, let's do a type of a formal letter which is a letter of inquiry. A letter of inquiry is basically written to ask for more information concerning a product, service or other information about that particular product. These letters are often written in response to an advertisement that we see in newspaper or magazine or on television. We write such letters when we are interested in purchasing a product, but we like to have more information before making any decision. Now there are certain points which you need to remember before you start writing this type of letter. That is, to make a formal request for a specific information. Next you need to remember is the subject of inquiry would always vary depending upon the addressee, that is the person whom you are writing. The letter of inquiry is usually about a product, service, event, organization or business association. Next thing which you need to remember is the to-dos. So before writing, what are the things you need to do? First is the list down the points on which you will be seeking information. That is, basically your query will depend on the type of product or service you require. In case you want to enroll yourself in some French course during your vacations, then you can ask for the brochure having various details like duration of the course, fee structure, faculty, etc. Similarly, if you want to buy some electrical fixtures, which means fixed appliances like ceiling fans, tube lights, geysers, etc., your query will be totally different. It will be related to the price of the product. In case you are buying in bulk, then you can ask for the quotations of those products, or it could be the best wholesale price you can ask for. So we can say that the subject and the content of the letter of inquiry always vary. Next is, put your queries in direct and formal language without deviating from the key points. That is, you should not add unnecessary description. Next you need to remember is know your addressee, which means that you must find out beforehand the most appropriate official to which your letter should be addressed. For example, it could be the director of any institute, it could be the marketing manager of any agency or secretary of any company. So you must have this clarity in advance before you start writing a letter of inquiry, so that your letter must reach the correct department and the recipient if you want to get a satisfactory response. Now, I have already told you about the subject of the letter, that is, subject will vary depending upon the product, service or facility you require. So next is your own introduction. You will start by introducing yourself, then you'll mention the facility or the product or the service you require, then the type of information required. It may be the quotation or the brochure. Or any other detail. So I had already explained you about the quotation of any item which you want to buy, the best price you want to ask for, and brochure of any course you want to enroll into, could be French, could be German, or if you want to travel somewhere, then you can again ask for the brochure from that traveling agency. Next is the mode of payment, that is how you are going to make payment. It could be cash or credit, so you need to seek information about that also. Last is other details. Now, depending upon the product and service you require, so if you have any other query, so that you can write in the end in this other details. Apart from these details, you need to know about the body of an inquiry letter. Well, the body of an inquiry letter is further divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is used for introduction, that is, you will introduce yourself and state the purpose of your writing. In second paragraph, inquire about the details of the product or service you require. And the last paragraph, that is concluding paragraph, you will be asking for a prompt reply so that it helps you in making a quick decision. Now, when you are aware of the details and format of an inquiry letter, let's do an example of a letter of inquiry. You are Amar, a student of class 10 and a resident of B256 Tilak Vihar, New Delhi. You are interested in learning German in your summer vacations. Write a letter to the Director of Language School, Model Town, New Delhi, inquiring about the various courses offered by them during summer vacations. Word limit is 100 to 150 words. Now, before attempting this question, you should see that what all information is given in the question. So the address is given, address of the sender is given. So we'll write B256 Tilak Vihar, New Delhi. In case the pin code is given, well and good. If it is not given, you can write on your own. So you can write the pin code and the date of writing the letter. Then all these 3 things have to be written without leaving any line, and no comma has to be there at the end of each line. And then leaving one line, you will be writing the recipient's address, that is the Director Language Learning School, Model Town, New Delhi. Then comes the subject. Subject is inquiry regarding German courses in summer vacations. In place of inquiry, you can also write the word query, that is query regarding German courses in summer vacations. Next is the salutation. You can write sir or madam. Next, we begin the letter, that is the content or the body. In first paragraph, you will introduce yourself and you will also write the purpose of your writing. That is with reference to the advertisement in the Times of India. I came to know about your language learning school. I am a student of class 10 residing in Model Town. I am interested in learning German during my summer vacations. I would like to start with freshers course offered by you during summer break. So this is your first paragraph wherein you've introduced yourself and also you've stated the purpose of your writing. Now in next paragraph, you are going to ask for the details, the information you require regarding the product or service or any facility. So you'll write, I want you to furnish me with the following details. You can write these details either in a paragraph or in these bullet forms, but this looks better in a neat form. So you can write like this: fee applicable, mode of payment, which will be cash or credit. Next is the timing and then duration of the course. In case you want to ask for any other detail, then you can also ask after this. Then you're going to end it, that is our last paragraph. I would also like to have the brochure of your school. Please email the relevant information on my email ID, and you can mention your email ID. Next is the closing line. It shall be appreciated if the details are provided to me at the earliest. So this is the end of your letter, wherein you'll be asking for a prompt reply for all your queries, so that it will help you in making your decision. Last is the complimentary close, wherein you write yours faithfully. You can also write yours sincerely, and then without leaving any line, you will be writing the signature and or the name of the sender, that is Amar Sharma. So this was about your letter of inquiry. I hope you've understood it well, and now seeing all these nitty-gritties, I hope you'll be able to write a letter of inquiry with flair.